can't wait to see the animals. Look at the baby lions. They're so fluffy and cute. Wow, you're so tall, Mr. Giraffe. Want another leaf?
They're so silly.
Look at that baby. He's having a splashy bath. You're so pretty. Your feathers are like a rainbow.
You're so soft and hungry too, huh?
You're like a living rock, but so cool. Whoa! That one swims super fast like a rocket. I'm a flamingo too. Look at me! Are they white with black stripes or black with white? Ow. Ow. You're the softest thing I've ever hugged. Bye-bye, zoo friends. I'll be back soon.